Have you ever wondered if everything around we go from emotional thoughts to objects? The most solid is really standing still. Visualize the inside of the being of each small cell. The youngest is moving non-stop rhythm with an infinite flow of energy. Your body shaped this blue planet, and also distant stars in outer space are all vibrating like that. They are play a violin symphony together. The great law of the third principle of the seven ancient hermetic laws only, that nothing in the universe is pure. Silence from tangible matter to thought and invisible emotions are all amount and fluctuation at other frequencies. This is no longer a concept, far-flung hematology that has been scientifically modern affirmation at the atomic level. Every particle of matter is constantly moving. The interesting thing is that this fluctuation, not just limited to the physical world. You have ever noticed that when the mood, have fun and be positive about everything around, seems to go more smoothly than vice versa? When you're worried or angry, everything comes back, become gloomy and difficult. It is because of the frequency your fluctuations are affecting and interacting. Interact with the outside world. Be prepared, spirit, because this video will take you to unexpected discoveries in science and spiritual intersection where you recognize the main I am part of the magical rhythm of the universe, and more importantly you will learn how to adjust the oscillating frequency of yourself to change the way you look, receiving the world, and how the world is antisocial. What is the law of oscillation? Yourself. Love. Nothing in the universe is love. Everything is shaking. Not only is a metaphorical statement that it's immutable about how the universe works, from all objects such as the most solid to all invisible thoughts and emotions are all moving and vibrating according to the rhythm of our own stillness. Seeing just hallucinations of the senses in the atomic level of tiny particles is always non-stop oscillation blends into the invisible symphony of living hermetic theory passed down from ancient Egypt by Hermes Trismegistus has affirmed that everything is the movement. All shakes. The universe is a never-changing flow of energy, mobilizing and transforming. Greek philosophers Heraclitus also said, everything runs and you can't toothpick twice on the same stream of water. This means that change and vibration is the substance of all existence. In the East, oscillations are also seen is the source of the embracing sound universe. In Hinduism is a symbol of rhythm. Primordial tunes echoed throughout the air. Time and time give birth to everything. Whether it is Western philosophy or the East, is all united in one. The thing of life is that it does not fluctuate. Imagine the universe as a table, the great symphony of all objects, and all living beings emit a frequency of knives, moving low frequency matter separately, as the stone seemed to stand still while light and sound fluctuate at frequency. Higher forms of energy we can feel. Human beings with thoughts, emotions and intentions is the most exquisite. See music in this symphony as you vibrate in the frequency of love, peace, and gratitude. To you, become a light harmonic piece, gentle and delicate, but when you sink in fear, anxiety or anger frequency, your vibration becomes chaos and heavy, pulls you away from self-balance. However, that means that you are the people who emit vibrations that affect to their own reality and the pulse world around. This law reminds that everything in the universe are all connected through vibration frequency. You can't stop the knife, but you can choose your way. Vibrate how you emit energy. What amount of energy will you attract? Going back to the frequency you emit will determine the life you experience. If you vibration selection at higher frequencies such as love, positivity and knowledge, thank you, will enhance your own energy and create comedy for the world all around. Remember that your life, it's a music buddy and you're a musician. The chief decides on each note in so you will choose to vibrate like that, to be in tune with your symphony of dance. Pillar. Everything from distant stars, sticky rice in the sky, to tiny particles in your body is all energy, and energy is fluctuating. It sounds mysterious, but this is the scientific truth that has been physical quantity self-affirming. If the law oscillations explain everything from perspective, philosophy, quantum physics has provide clear evidence of how the world operating. All matter is energy. Amount of knives. Try to imagine a solid object as solid as our table or stone. See it standing still, but if you exaggerate it to the atomic level, you will see the particles as small as neutron, protons and electrons. Never stand still. They fluctuate constantly. In space is an energetic flow. What does this amount mean materially? Seems solid, but it is actually just other manifestations of energy in oscillation state. When frequency oscillates, change morphological transformation energy. This is why sound, light, and we all exist as energy forms. The amount of fluctuations in this universe is now resonance image and oscillating frequency plus is a phenomenon that occurs when an object fluid at the same frequency as an object. Otherwise, for example, when you are gaying the strings guitar, other strings of the same frequency will self-vibrate even if you don't touch us. People and the universe also operate according to this principle. When you oscillate at the frequency positive as love and knowledge, you will resonate with these abilities the same amount from the opposite surroundings. Angry anxiety will make you agree with chaotic energies pulling the game, your life into a spiral of impossibility. Okay, a clear demonstration of how to vibrate affecting matter is the sticks test. In this experiment, when sound waves acting on the surface of the sand lord or liquid, these particles will arrange themselves into delicate symmetrical shapes. The higher the frequency, the more complex the shape and harmonized. This shows vibration. Not only does it generate energy, but it also has ability to arrange and shape matter. Similarly, the thoughts and feelings of humans are inherently forms of energy, can also be shaped and rearranged. The reality of our physical life. Quantum also introduced the concept of the field quantum, a sea of invisible energy where new ability is extreme. At the subatomic level, particles do not have fixed position that exists as a waveform. When these particles are observed, will have a specific state to display. What does this mean in reality? We see not as fixed as we think, instead it is intended to, shaped by the oscillation of energy and awareness of our own consciousness. The more aware of your vibration you are, the more you can adjust it to create a harmonious reality. Then understand this, you will realize you have the right to adjust the oscillating frequency. His universe is a sea of energy, and you are a part of it. That you will choose at what frequency the vibration to generate, producing a wonderful symphony for life. To answer the question correctly, you need to understand more about the fluctuations of thoughts and feelings. You have ever thought that our thoughts and feelings are not only exists in the mind, but also vibrations that spread to the pulse world around here? Is not just a concept, hematology that has been used by modern science, proving every thought and every emotion of you all have your own oscillation frequency, directly affect the health, mood, and the surrounding environment. Your emotions are not just internal reactions, mind, but also a form of energy that generates. Outside of science has shown that negative thoughts and emotions such as anxiety and fear, anger cause the fluctuating frequency of you drop when you're in a state. This body secretes the hormone cortisol, weakens the immune system and creates imbalance in the body. On the contrary, positive emotions like love and compassion, gratitude and joy have an oscillating frequency higher when experiencing the emotions. Your body secretes serotonin and oxytocin. These hormones help you feel happy, healthier and more connected with the world around you. Can take the initiative, enhance its oscillation frequency by how to choose your thoughts and feelings. Positive all thoughts you like. As a note, and you're the person, control the symphony to study. The Hot Math Institute has pointed out a fact. The incredible energy field of the heart is stronger than the energy field of brain. Many times this field can extend a few meters around your body and varies according to emotional state. Positive emotions such as love and knowledge. The creation of a harmonious energy field is stable to bring peace and influence positive to the whole body of the environment. Around negative emotions such as tension, straight and scared as energy field. This becomes a negative impact on the soul, to your health and mental health of the universe. Always respond to the frequencies you emit. If you want a happy life and harmony, let's start from within ourselves. Choose positive emotional thoughts, because those things themselves will enhance your oscillating frequency and take you to a better reality. You're shaking at what frequency, and if possible you will choose what frequency to emit instead. Change your life to clarify. Here we will learn about oscillation and spiritual connection. When the frequency of the oscillation of the you increase, you open the door to connection with the deeper layers of awareness of the universe and the spiritual journey. High oscillation acts as the bridge between the finite of the child, man, and the infinity of the universe. This is when you cross the limits of your ego and feel the harmony connected to the full. In all oscillating states, love and compassion are frequencies, the highest that a human can emit. They are not only emotions but also powerful power source capable of heal and connect when you live with unconditional love and heart. Grateful to the heart of being for emitting a school. Stable and harmonious energy spreads positive vibrations to people and everything around you when your mind is quiet and oscillating at harmonious frequencies. Intuition will become a bridge of connection. Friends with more subtle perceptions. This is the state that appears when you deep meditation focused on knowledge, grace or living in inner peace. Studies show that in the brain becomes sharp with exquisite information beyond mind of conventional logical cognition. Moments of inspiration, breakthrough creative solutions that many geniuses such as Leonardo da Vinci and Nikola Tesla described it as the result of condition. When you connect with your intuition, begin to realize that each answer and knowledge already exists in the school. The energy of the universe is a people. The natural core is not pressed to help you open deeper perspectives on life and yourself. When you vibrate at high frequencies, you are no longer you begin to recognize yourself is part of the flow of infinite energy. Wherever love is the essence of everything, living in this state distinguishes between self and the surrounding world dissolve. Only pure harmony and connection remain. Pure with all this is not a distant destination that is a natural result. When you nurture love and gratitude to spiritual masters, this is a state of consolidation of an impedance to their true nature, and you are no longer limited by anxiety and fear or any barriers. Music. You don't have to be perfect, just need per day advanced a small frequency in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The application of the law of oscillation is not at all far from starting from simple habits, simple but meaningful in life. The first day of mindfulness meditation and inner frequency tuning. Gratitude. Meditation is a powerful method to help you put your mind into a state of stillness and relax for just 10 to 15 minutes each. Days focus on the breath. You can switching brain waves to a relaxed state. Alpha and theta help relieve stress and restoring the right inner balance. Reciting the full presence in each the moment also brings the same effect. Focus on activities daily such as walking, eating or relaxing. Listen to your surroundings as your mind stop at the present frequencies. Pulse will gradually fade. In combination with meditation and mindfulness of gratitude is the key to create the habit of writing down 3 things you are grateful for every day, from small things like sunshine, tomorrow, a warm smile, or a moment. Engrave piece of gratitude. Raise the frequency. Your number puts you in tune with a VU's positive amount. The second pillar connects with nature. Nature is a healthy remedy to help you adjust the oscillating frequency naturally when you immerse yourself in forests and seas, or simply go barefoot on your body. Neck will automatically synchronize with pure energy of heaven and earth. Just breathe the air, watching the clouds drift or settle. Hear the sound of falling leaves. You will feel balance and purification in each cell, telling nature to bring comedy energy. Hoa helps you get rid of the hustle and bustle of life and return to yourself. Tuesday. Positive thoughts and words. All thoughts and the words all carry a vibration frequency. Negative thoughts such as anxiety and anger make your frequencies heavy, chaotic, disturbing. Positive thoughts and words. Love will enhance the pervasive fluctuation, harmonious energy to the pulse environment around. Try to practice observation and reflection. Think when you realize that you are thinking negatively. Stop and turn to the think more positively. Then choose words instead of criticizing or complaining. Speak words of encouragement and love. This vibration will spread and attract harmony in your life. Secondary. Take care of physical health. Healthy body strong is an important foundation to maintain harmonic oscillating frequency. Choose real, natural, fresh products such as vegetables and fruits. High frequency foods that help your body is full of energy to stay away. Processed foods cure chemicals as they reduce energy and photos negative effects on health. Combined with regular exercise and enough sleep, and drink plenty of water so that the body is always in equilibrium. When the body is healthy, your mind will also become clear and wiser. Create money to give a harmonious and positive life. When you choose to raise your frequency each day, you don't just improve your life, but also spreading energy positive to people in the world around. Your life is a piece of music and you are the conductor. Choose the brightest notes and make my life a symphony of great harmony. Do you know your oscillation frequency impact on the community and others, such as how is it when a person raises the frequency, their oscillating numbers they inspire invisibly spreads positive energy to the community around us. Doesn't exist at the isolation of all thoughts, emotions and actions. All create energy waves. Touch others naturally. Think of each person as a stone falling on the surface of the lake. The waves from the stone will spread and impact to the surrounding water surface, similar to the positive amount from an individual. One bud laughing, a kind word can resonate and create change in the habitat. Our research by Rupert Schur about the morphological field indicates that consciousness and the behavior of a person who can be photographed enjoy the entire community as you live with love and gratitude frequency. That oscillation becomes a positive anchor point. Encourage those around you. Tune their energy into an action. Small can also make a big difference. If a family or a community together live with the positive frequencies, they will create an extended source of harmonious energy, anger, and affect the environment all around. Remember that a smile is a sacrificial word or a small act that can make a big difference. As long as you changing the world around will also change. If the above knowledge is still not convincing your beliefs, then Divide the Heart will share more with you about broad perspective for us to clarify more. Is this a universal truth or just a philosophical perspective full of emotion? First, the limits of science. Quantum studies have affirmed that all matter are all brain-wave fluctuating energy. The electronic field of the heart or particles, basically always moving, is what has been done. Measurement yet advanced concept. The frequency of thoughts and emotions is still not possible. Directly proven by the second current scientific instrument. Spiritual points. Frequency is the language of dance. Pillar. From the spiritual perspective of the law of the knife, not only has a metaphorical meaning but also is a guideline in life. When you choose to think positively and live in gratitude for the energy frequency that you emitted, capable of creating a reality more harmonious. Even though it is difficult to measure, this has proven through real-world experience of many third people or us is too romantic. Some people think that the frequency assignment of emotions and thoughts, it's just a metaphorical image that easily leads to thinking far-fetched or escapist of reality. Yes, only think positively without taking action. Reality will not be able to solve difficulties. However, a positive mindset is not only an illusion but a motivation to spark action and change reality, whether you believe it or not. The law of oscillations opens up an interesting approach to accepting life instead of getting entangled in resentment or anxiety. Why not live with love and gratitude to feel the difference? You don't need to believe, all just need to test to change the inference. Think, act, and observe the life of. The result will be the theoretical answer, best summary of your life. Not a random sequence of events, but an accurate reflection of the frequencies you emanate. From emotional thoughts to actions, all create a positive energy. Enjoy and shape the reality around you. If you live in love, know grace and peace, life will be repaid with harmony and happiness. But when you sinking in anxiety or resentment, that frequency pulls you into the vortex of chaos, turmoil, and instability. You can't change everything happens, but you can always choose how to react to your life as a piece of music, and you are the music chief. Choose to be in tune with the frequencies, number of love, gratitude, and peace of mind. The music you play isn't just for me, but also vibrate people around your life. Reflections. What frequencies you emit. Choose. It's wise to step on the pitch now, holding a concert chopstick in his hand, and make you a beautiful symphony of yourself. The world is listening. You will what stage to play. If you learn anything from this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and BC announces that B doesn't miss the next video of. Don't forget, share videos to loved ones. Wishing you a lot of health,